Oh no, Diding is a ghost. Oh no. Go to ZK. Eat ZK, eat. Eat ZK, eat ZK. Eat. Monster Diding, ghost CD. No more ZK. Did ZK. May I see your face, Ding? May I see your face? Pounds. Ding, face front to daddy. Ay, naka-face front ka pala. Parang nakatalikod lang si Diding. Pero ang totoo niyan. Oh, tada! Oh, move your hair. Like this. Anong nangyari sa buhok mo, Ding Ding? Ding! What happened to your hair?
I want Minnie Mouse like that.
You like your new hairstyle?
Because they're called Minnie Mouse.
Ah,
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse. Oh, show me your face.
I want Minnie Mouse.
It's pangit?
Yes, I don't want that. I want like that. I like one.
Oh, ganda naman ng tali ni Daddy ah.
Ding, you're so fun.
Ayun na, fix. Ayun na. Fix na ni Daddy. Come here. Oh, you like that?
Yes.
Ganyan? Oh, show me, show me. Show me. Show me your face. Oh, yan. Okay, good na yan. Okay. Oh, di ba? Galing.